So you wanted to collaborate on some music for a play?
Yes.
Okay.
We all hung out. We all hung out. We all hung out through time and space. Through time and space.
Okay, last night at this rock and roll show,
I saw one of my most favorite college professors of all time.
Yeah, just busy. I mean, I guess just really busy. Right. Maybe online we can find what some really classic stand-up subject matter.
Mm-hmm. Hello, Baltimore. You sure do have a shitty taxi service.
I'm already feeling the funny.
You know, I think we got it. Yeah.
But there's one more thing. We're also really good at doing physical stuff and costumey stuff.
Yeah, but let's not do that. I mean, what we're saying is funny, not just what we're wearing.
Exactly, like my witty mouth is up here, hello? Stop laughing at my hilarious clothes when my mind is hilarious.
You've got to get some heavy hitters to perform in these plays.
Stumbling and Stick, how did you get here?
So this is the second song I'm writing to you. I'm not sure if this is good, but it is kind of a better one.
In a way, we have been friends for 1,000,000 years, and that is awesome.
We hit it off immediately, and we're soon in a play together that my sister directed called
Insights. A small ensemble piece with lots of movement, and we all wore black turtle.
Next.
In high school, all 4 years.
And we are still friends to this day.
You had a dream about her 5 years ago. It's as though I had a different pair of slippers with each of my friends on them, like character slippers that I can wear in a cozy way. And it is been sensual.